Welcome to Window Cleaning Resources YouTube channel. I am SteveO, the window cleaner, and I am here at the huge convention 2022 in Nashville, Tennessee with Jersey, John Lee, and Austin Grubbs. All sales reps here at Window Cleaning Resource, including myself. So it's going to take you along a little bit for the journey we have here. It is Wednesday, it's the day before the trade show, and the main classes start. Some classes start today as well. But I just want to take you a little bit along for what we do as reps here at the shows. We'd like to meet everybody that we don't get to see and face every day when we talk to you all on the phones or through messaging. So it's gonna be great to meet you all, show you a little bit of the trade show, show you a little bit what goes on with setting everything up, and I hope you enjoy. Let's go. There's Austin.
Hey, what's going on?
There's Jersey.
What's up?
What are we doing here at the huge convention?
We are meeting people. We are talking shop and just hanging out. Just gonna learn everything we can.
What do we do typically on the day before a lot of the classes start, trade show, all that good stuff?
Man, right now we are actually on our way to prep our booth. We got here on a Tuesday, show starts after that. But we have to go and we have setup, we have our booth to do, we have our badges to get. We got a lot of stuff to do on the first day prepping for the show because we'll be in the trade show the entire time. And there are going to be over 1,000 people here just talking shop. So
now, Austin, this is your first convention working the trade show. How do you feel about that?
I'm super excited because usually when I come to the conventions, it's a big networking thing, which it still is a networking thing. But I don't have to travel around the trade show. I can stay at the booth and really talk to all the WCR customers that are gonna be here. Just get to meet some people that I talk to all the time.
Thad. Hey, Thad. Hey.
I think it's gonna be a good time.
Yes, it's gonna be a very good time. So we're gonna go set up now and meet John Lee and get all set up. Right here. There's John Lee. John Lee.
and this is John Lee.
How's it going, man?
Good.
Good.
See a WCR thing? We just must not have the backdrop yet.
WCR in the house.
Every single year it thinks it's great.
What is this?
That's a trick. Fine, right here is fine. We'll empty it here.
Complete madness. Austin, is this madness?
This is great. This is lovely.
This is the pre-show madness of the trade show. Oh man.
You
all
never
the
get to
carpet.
see the fun parts.
Yeah. These are all the parts of setup that are great fun. John, working hard with that piece of wood. Pointing at Josh. Do something. Jersey, how's setup going?
Amazingly.
Amazingly. Oh, this is
Zip tie.
this is the tricks of the trade right
Zip
here.
ties are
Zip ties. Mhm.
a man's best friend when it comes to this stuff.
Yes. Our little hookies don't hooky. We're getting creative. Austin and John Lee over here getting squeegees together. I'm taking out the hoses. We take all the hoses out, put that to the side so people can take the poles, spin them up, feel how they are, and then when you purchase it, give you the hoses and everything. So today is Thursday. Today is the first day of the trade show. Trade show starts at noon. Be there from noon to 6. Talk to lots of people. A lot of poles, a lot of systems. Josh, how are you feeling?
Feeling excited.
Yeah?
I like the trade show. You get to talk to people that get to talk to us and see what they actually look like.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. John, how has the convention been?
Fantastic. I love seeing all my old customers, meeting new ones.
How many conventions is this for you?
Huge conventions. I've been to all of them, so this would be 8 because we skipped 1 year.
8. What was the first year you did a convention, just any convention for selling window cleaning supplies?
Oh, the very first was WCR and 20 years ago.
Yeah. How long have you been in the industry for?
Started in 1982.
Legend. Austin, how long? 6 months? No, I'm joking. How many conventions is this for you?
Third one, and the first one to work a convention.
First one to work, that's right. How has it been? We talked about that earlier.
It's been amazing. To be able to talk to everybody and meet a bunch of people, a bunch of my customers. Like Shay drove from Texas.
Shay drove from Texas.
I cannot believe that. Shay, it was good to see you. Jacob Williams, good to see you. I love these things. Just a jam-packed networking event. I love it.
Well, so this is the final day. We are all leaving today back to our home states. Thank you to everyone that came to the convention, 2022 Nashville, huge convention. It's a lot of fun seeing you all. It's a lot of fun putting a face to the voices that we talk every day and meeting people that we've seen before, but it's always just nice to reconnect after a year. So it was great seeing everybody, but I hope to see you all next year at the 2023 huge convention. See ya. Peace.